Welcome back, my people. A kí yín tẹ̀ṣọ́, a kí yín tológun o. Níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ wa. Etí tẹ́ ẹ fi ń gbọ́ wa kò ní di bákan náà, ojú tẹ́ ẹ fi ń rí wa kò ní fọ́. Àwa la ó máa wá, ẹ̀yin náà la ó máa bá. Ikú kò rí wa gbéṣe o, àṣẹ o, lọ́lá Èdùmàrè. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi, ìròyìn kan mà ló tún ti balẹ̀ gàjà báyìí o. Ó ní now Dangote is feeling what other Nigeria businessmen who have no one to fight for them are feeling. Yes, so it don't happen. They say Dangote sef don dey feel am. They say he don sabi, he don know as e dey go now. Make una come hear. A social and political critic, Aishat Yesufu, has said that Nigeria kills its own, while appealing that the Dangote refinery not be allowed to fail. Yesufu urged all hands to be on deck to ensure it succeed. A statement comes after the Nigeria Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority said the Dangote refinery has not been licensed to begin operation in the country. Farouk Ahmed, the Chief Executive Officer of NMDPRA, had made the claims during a chat with journalists at the State House, Abuja, on Thursday. Ahmed advised that the refinery was still in the pre-commissioning stage and that had not been licensed yet, noting that they were concerned about the quality of petroleum products produced by the Dangote refinery. He had alleged that the quality of products churned out from the new refinery was inferior to imported commodity. He said, so in terms of quality currency, the AGO quality in terms of sulfur is the lowest as far as a West Africa requirement of 500 ppm. He said, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi, tó òmìnira wa la fẹ́ o, òmìnira ilẹ̀ Yorùbá òun la fẹ́, nítorí wípé we are fucking sick and tired. Yes, èyí tí ààrẹ fi wá jọba lórí wa ó ti tó gẹ́. We are tired of this. We want our total freedom. Yes, that is why we always said Yorùbá nation, no retreat, no surrender. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo ìròyìn náà bó ṣe ń lọ. So ìgbà tí ó ti wá bá Dangote náà ló tó mọ̀ pé yes, Nigeria is really suffering. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi máa bá mi ká lọ. However, reacting to a call by an ex-user at Oluseun Onigbinde for the regulator to be sanctioned for the claim against the Dangote refinery, Yusuf said Nigeria should speak up. The social critic said that Dangote now frees what Nigeria business people with no government connection feel and go through always. She said, Nigeria kills its own. I truly agree with it. The refinery should not fail. All hands should be on deck to ensure it succeeds. Alhaji Dangote at Aliko Dangote now feels what Nigeria business people with no government connection have always felt and gone through. You don't dey feel am o. You don't dey feel wetin the people sef dey feel now. Our dreams are stolen and destroyed. Just yesterday, Landmark got a share, and there was silence from the business community. When you speak up, when others are affected, it is to ensure that a stop is to put such injustice so it never gets to you. Yes, but now e don get to Baba. But now Baba too don dey feel am. That's why Baba too don dey shout say e be like say true Nigeria dey suffer. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ṣe rí. Ìgbà tó wá kan Baba náà lòun náà tó wá mọ̀ pé òótọ́ ni pé àwọn Nàìjíríà wọ́n ń suffer. Òun náà ti wá pass through nǹkan tí àwọn tó kù pass through, nǹkan tí àwọn tó kù face kó tó di wípé wọ́n lè ní access àwọn tí wọn ò níyàn. Òun náà ti ń pass through ẹ̀ báyìí tó ti wá rí wípé yes, is suffering now. Tó ti rí pé ìyà yìí náà ti ń pọ̀. tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi in as much as possible. Ẹ wo a ò fẹ́ nǹkan mìíràn o, Yorùbá nation wa la fẹ́. Yes, òmìnira wa la fẹ́ o. We want our freedom. We want our total freedom from all these problems we are facing. We are sick and tired of it. That's what we demand for our freedom. Òmìnira wa òun la fẹ́. Because if no be so, báwo ni ààrẹ yóò ṣe wá máa jọba lórí ilẹ̀ bàbá wa? Òmìnira wa la fẹ́ o. So in as much as possible, my people, subscribe to it, share to it, like, follow. Let people know that it is our freedom we want. And also, freedom for Olóyè Chief Adéyẹmọ Sunday Ìgbòho Òòṣà. Owó baba dami ẹkùn ọkọ̀ Fúlàní. Àjànàkú kọjá mo rí nǹkan fìrí. Bá a bá rírin ká sọ̀pá rírin. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi, a ò ní rí jù báyìí lọ nítorí pé kí ni àgbẹ̀ ò ní roko títí kó gbàgbé ilé. In as much as possible, subscribe to it, share to it, like, follow. Please, my people, let this message go viral to all the Yorùbá, sí gbogbo àwọn Yorùbá, àwọn ọmọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá pátápátá. Ní gbogbo káàárọ̀ òjíire, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé òmìnira wa là ń dìbò fún. Òmìnira wa là ń fẹ́. A ò fẹ́ gbogbo eléyìí, gbogbo protest tó ló ń bọ̀ yìí kò kan àwa Yorùbá nation. Bí mo ṣe ń sọ, kò kan wá. Because Olóyè Sunday Adéyẹmọ ti jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé òun ò sí fún protest bí kò ṣe pé òun wá fún freedom, òmìnira ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. So that is why Yorùbá nation is not affected. We never even start our own. Àìtí ìdásí o. Jẹ́rí tá a bá dá sí tán. Ẹ wo, ìkòkò ní gba omi kó gbẹ̀yìn kó tún gba ṣọṣọ díẹ̀. Nítorí freedom for Olóyè Chief Sunday Igboho and freedom for our own country, Yorùbá nation. Ẹ wo, ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yóò jẹ́ ilẹ̀ tí Ọlọ́run bùkún fún gan. Ilẹ̀ tí Ọlọ́run dá lọ́lá gan láti lè rí wípé a gba òmìnira wa. Ọlọ́run ṣèké wa, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ ènìyàn wọ́n ti fẹ́ fọ́pọ̀ mọ́yọ̀. Àwọn ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ ènìyàn wọ́n ti fẹ́ da iyẹ̀pẹ̀ sínú iyọ̀ wa. Torí ẹ̀ làwọn gbọ́ ṣe yarí pé a ò fẹ́ mọ́ mọ́. Ṣé rí gbogbo àwọn bandit, àwọn Fúlàní admin, gbogbo àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí nílẹ̀ wa, a ò fẹ́ wọn mọ́. They should give us our freedom. Let everybody be on their own. So, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi, we using this opportunity to let you know that subscribe, share, and follow in as much as possible for you to see more updates about as they go. No retreat, my people. Remember, no surrender. My people, make it and not forget until we achieve our aim. We no go stop. We using this time to say, oh, double.